Hi buddies, welcome to Theo's fascinating program. Today in this video, we're going to learn about bitwise operator, bitwise AND operator, bitwise OR operator and bitwise NOT operator. Don't skip the video, watch till end and like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon to get the earlier notifications. Thank you.
Open your Python ideally or scripto to work in your bitwise operator. We have several bitwise operator, bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise NOT and exclusive OR and some other bitwise operator. Let's see about bitwise AND operator. So the use of bitwise AND operator, it returns 1 if both the bits are 1, else 0. So the given number first converts into binary number and then it returns 1 if the both bits are 1, else it returns 0. Let's see some of the examples. So I'll take an example like 10 and 12. So you can see here I get the answer as 8. So it has to be first converted into binary number. First let me convert 10 into binary number. So 10, so 5 times it is 10, remainder is 0, and it is 2 times it is 4, remainder is 1, again 2 times, 1 time it is 2 and remainder is 0. So 10, you get a binary number 1010, that is a binary number for 10. So we'll check in a Python. So binary of 10 we'll get like 1010. This is a binary number for 10. Now let's see what is the binary number for 12. Again 12, it should be get divided by 2. 6 times it is 12, remainder is 0. Again 3 times it is 6, remainder is 0. Again 1 times it is 2, remainder is 1. So decimal for 12 is 1100. This is a binary number for 12. Let's check in Python. Binary of 12, you can see here we get like 1100. This is a binary number. So we have converted the number into binary number. Now we have to check if the both the bits are 1, it converts to 1, else it returns 0. So let's work on it to find whether the bits are 1 or bits are 0. We know what is the binary number for 10, 1010. And let's see what is the binary number for 12, 1100. So bitwise AND operator returns 1 if both the bits are 1, else 0. So you can see a 0 0, it is 0, 1 0 is 0, 0 1 is 0 and 1 1 is 1. So we get 1000. So we have to convert into decimal. So I just make a power of 2. So 0 into 2 to the power 0, 0 into 2 to the power 1 and 0 into 2 to the power 2 and 1 into 2 to the power 3. So the 2 to the power 3 is 8. So I get the answer as 8. That is why we get 10 and 12. We get the answer as 8. So first the number converts into binary number and AND operator. Open your Python ideally or script mode to work in a bitwise OR operator. So let's see how the bitwise OR operator works. So you can see this is a symbol for bitwise OR operator. It returns 1 if either of the bit is 1, else 0. Let's see an example. 10 or 12. You can see the answer is 14. So first the number has to be converted to the binary number. So binary of 10 is 1010. Binary of 12 is 1100. So now we have to check if the any one of the bits is 1, else it is 0. So let's see 1010 we get for 10 as a binary number, and 1100 it is for 12. Now if either of the bits is 1, else 0. 0 it is 0, 1 0 it is 1, 0 1 is 1, 1 1 is 1. So we have to find what is the decimal number. So 0 into 2 the power 1 is 0, 1 into 2 the power 1 is 2, and 1 into 2 the power 2 is 4, and 1 into 2 the power 3 is 8. So just add all those numbers. So 8 4 2, so we get the answer as 14. So let's check 10 or 12, we get the answer as 14. So this is how we have to work with the bitwise OR operator. Open your Python script mode, or ideally to work with the bitwise NOT operator. So we use a tilde symbol to work with a bitwise NOT operator. So before we work with a bitwise NOT operator, we have to follow the certain rules. First, the given number has to be converted into binary number, and second step you have to convert its complement. Third step you have to find its first complement, and we have to add one, that is a second complement, and we have to find what is the decimal value. First let's convert a given number into binary number. For example, let's take the value as 10. So I'll just give it as tilde of 10. It is called not 10. So let's see what is the answer we get. So we get the answer as minus 11. The number is converted into a binary number. Now it has to convert it to its complement. We will see what is the binary of 10. So the binary of 10 is 1010. So this has to be first converted into complement. So let's convert this value as a complement value. So the value for binary number 10 is 1010. So this is a binary number for 10. Now we have to work on a second step. So convert to its complement. So 0 will be converted to 1, 1 will be converted to 0. So 0 is 1, 1 is 0 here, again 0 is 1 here, again 1 is 0. Now again finding its ones complement, that is a step 3. Again zeros will be converted to 1, 1 will be converted to 0. So 1 is 0 here, again 0 is 1 here, 1 is 0 here, and 0 is 1 here. Fourth step, we have to convert its 2's complement. So just we have to add 1 to its number. So we just add 1, so plus 1. So 0 plus 1 I get as 1, again it is 1, so 0 and it is 1. Now the last step, finding its decimal value. So 1 into 2 the power 0 and 1 into 2 the power 1 and 0 into 2 the power 2 and 1 into 2 the power 3. So 2 the power 0 is 1, so 1 into 1 we get it as 1, and 1 into 2 the power 1 we get it as 2. Again 0 into 2 the power 4 we get it as 0. Finally 1 into 2 the power 3 we get it as 8. So once you add all this number we get the answer as 11. So it is a positive number, so we gave it as a not of 10, so you get the answer as a negative number minus 11. This is how you have to convert your number with the help of a bitwise not operator and to find the answer. Thank you.